Hello mga kamebs! Another day, another life to save. Coach Lyle here again, and today, pag-uusapan natin ang 6 na reasons kung bakit ang Manulife React 5 ang best budgetarian insurance product ni Manulife. Reason number 1, better budget. Better budget, better start. Depende sa edad mo, pwedeng magsimula ka as low as 40 pesos per day or 1,200 per month. Kung nagkakape ka ng Starbucks araw-araw, mahilig ka sa snacks o nagtataksi ka palagi, mas better i-convert mo yan, kamebs, yung daily gastos na yan into your first insurance plan. Konting sakripisyo ngayon, mas malaking protection bukas. Reason number 2, better renewability. Mas better ang 5-year lock premium unlike sa ibang yearly renewable plans na taon-taon tumataas ang premiums. React 5, bawat 5 years lang ang adjustment. That means mas better para sa bulsa mo, lalo na kung gusto mong planuhin ang gastos mo para sa iyong long term. Reason number 3, better coverage. Better coverage kahit budgetarian mga kamebs. For as low as 40 pesos per day and 1,200 per month, you can get covered up to 2 to 5 million pesos. Hindi yan pipitsuging 100k coverage lang tulad ng ibang insurance. Ito ang tunay na budget pero solid naman ang proteksyon. Reason number 4, better riders. Mas better, mas buo. Pwede mong dagdagan ang React 5 ng riders tulad ng critical illness rider at accidental benefits. Kaya, hindi lang basic insurance ang makukuha mo kamebs, kundi full protection na sakto sa pangangailangan mo. Reason number 5, better flexibility. Better payment options, better discounts. Quarterly, semi-annual o annual, ikaw ang pipili kung ano ang swak sa budget mo. At kung annual naman ang pipiliin mo mga kamebs, mas makaka-discount ka pa. Flexibility na pasok sa iyong diskarte. And reason number 6, better pension plan combo. Pwede mong i-level up ang React 5 mo by adding just 1,000 pesos per month ng ating budgetarian perfect combination para magkaroon ka ng monthly and annual payout lifetime in the future. Insurance plus future pension is equals to better secured life. Kaya mga kamebs, kung gusto mong may protection ka na, may peace of mind ka pa, habang budget-friendly ang bayad, Manulife React 5 is the way to go. At kung ready ka na to start your budgetarian plan, PM me now with Ready na ako, Coach Lyle, and let's talk about your better tomorrow. See you mga kamebs, and see you sa ating next video. Bye!